Hello there, Sarah from One-Eyed Cat Online Marketing here, and welcome back to our Ultimate Google Ads Checklist for e-commerce. Today we are asking, are you using promotion extensions? Now today we're talking about promotion extensions for search, because you have shopping promotion extensions and search promotion extensions. So I'm just going to quickly show you what a promotion extension looks like. Took me a while to find one, but my good old running shoes search came up trumps in the end. This is what it looks like. As you can see, underneath the bottom of the ad here, it says deal up to 70% off trainers. If you then click on this, it should take you straight through, presumably to a page which obviously you can see here the deals that you have available up to 75% off. Now it does, sometimes when you click on this, it'll open up and show you a little bit more information. But that's what on a search campaign, that's what a promotion extension looks like. So if you have something, if you have an offer, something that you're giving away, something, a promotion on shipping, or like with that one, a discount promotion, then highlight it in your ad, because you're more likely to get the click. It'll improve your click-through rates. As always, it's going to improve your quality score anyway. But it does makes your ad more compelling, makes the buyer much more likely to click on your ad, and also it just enables you to highlight whatever you've got on offer or on sale on your particular website. Now you need to make sure, obviously, that it's relevant to whatever you're advertising in the ad itself. So if I'm looking for running shoes and you've got a deal on, I don't know, baby gates, that's a bit random, I know, but there's not much point showing a deal on baby gates if I'm searching for running shoes. So that's just the only provide. Make sure you have them, they're relevant, and that you have them added to the correct campaigns. But a really, if it's relevant to you, something that's really good to set up and that will make a big difference to your click-through rates on your ads. As usual, I've recorded another video before, which I'll link to up in the corner here, which will go into more detail on actually how to set those up for a search campaign. So I don't need to go on too much more here about it, but just enough to say that you need to check if they're relevant, and if you have a good deal or a promotion or an offer, then you need to be using the promotion extensions for your search campaigns. Please comment below if you have any questions or any topics you'd like me to cover. Subscribe to the channel here, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care now. Bye.